IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus is built for those who demand toughness and performance without breaking the bank. So, if you're an adventurer, a busy professional, or just someone who needs a phone that can keep up with your active lifestyle, then keep on watching because I'm about to give you 5 reasons why the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus might be the perfect phone for you. First up, let's talk about durability. The IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus is built like a tank. It's got a rugged construction that can withstand drops, bumps, and even the occasional splash. Whether you're working on a construction site, hiking in the wilderness, or just clumsy like me, this phone can take a beating. Plus, with an unspecified IP rating, you can rest assured that it's protected against dust and water ingress. But the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus isn't just tough, it's also powerful. Packed with a MediaTek Helio G99 processor and a whopping 12 GB of RAM, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming videos, the Air1 Ultra Plus will keep up without breaking a sweat. And with expandable storage up to 1 TB, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for all your photos, videos, and apps. Let's talk about capturing those epic moments. The IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus boasts a triple camera system on the back, featuring a 64 megapixels main sensor, a 24 megapixels night vision sensor, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. This means you can take stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition, from bright sunshine to starry nights. And with a 32 megapixels front camera, you'll be ready for those perfect selfies and video calls. Nobody likes a phone that dies on them halfway through the day. That's why this phone is equipped with a massive 7000 mAh battery. This beast will keep you powered up all day long, even with heavy use. And with 30 watts fast charging, you can quickly get back up and running when you do need a top-up. Flagship phones can be crazy expensive, but this phone gives you all the features you need in a rugged and powerful phone without the hefty price tag. It's an amazing value for the money, especially considering what you're getting. If you're looking for a tough, powerful, and affordable phone that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, then this might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know what you think about the IIIF150 Air1 Ultra Plus, and if you have any questions. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and unboxings.